What if I told you you don't need to be rich, you don't need a high salary, and you don't need luck to build your first 1 lakh dollar in the stock market? Because the truth is, 1 lakh dollar is not built by income, it's built by strategy. And in this video, I am going to show you the exact blueprint that ordinary people are using to build extraordinary wealth. But here is the scary part, most people watching this video will never reach 1 lakh dollar, not because they can't, but because they don't know this one rule. Not because they can't, but because they don't know this one rule. And I will reveal that rule in the next few minutes, so don't skip. Because this can literally change your financial life for it. Why 1 lakh dollar is the most important milestone? 1 lakh dollar is not just a number, it's a turning point. Because the first 1 lakh dollar is the hardest, but after that, money starts building. Why? Because of something called compound growth. Let me explain simply. If you invest 1 lakh dollar and earn 10% per year, you make one $10,000 per year without working. That's money working for you, not you working for money. But here is the question, how do you actually reach 1 lakh dollar? I will show you step by step. And step number one is the most misunderstood step. Step 1, start before you feel ready. Most people wait, they wait for more money, they wait for the perfect time, they wait for confidence, and they never start. But wealthy investors start before they feel ready because time is more powerful than money. Let me show you something shocking. Person A invest $5,000 per month for 10 years. Person B invest $5,000 per month for 30 years. Same investment, but person B ends up with 5 to 6x more money. Why? Because of time. Time multiplies money, not effort. So here is your first action. Starting investing now, not next year, not next month, now. Because every day you delay costs you thousands in the future. But starting alone is not enough. Because what you invest in matters more. And that brings us to step number 2. Step 2, invest in the right type of stocks. There are two types of people in the stock market, gamblers and investors. Gamblers chase hype, investors build wealth. Gamblers look for quick money, investors look for long term growth. And the secret to reaching 1 lakh dollar is investing in growth assets. This includes index funds, strong technology companies, markets leaders, companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia. These companies grow over time, and as they grow, your money grows. But here is the most people do wrong. They try to get rich fast and they lose money fast. Instead, focus on get rich slowly, because slow growth becomes a massive growth. But there is another secret, and this one changes everything. Step 3, consistency beats intelligence. You don't need to be smart, you need to be consistent. Let me prove it. If you invest just $10 per day, that's $300 per month, and over time that can grow into over 1 lakh dollar, not because of intelligence, because of consistency. The stock market rewards patience, not emotions. The biggest mistake people make is stopping. They invest for 3 months, then quit. They invest for 6 months, then quit. But winners never quit. They invest every month, no matter what. Even during crashes, because crashes are opportunities. And this brings us to the most powerful step, the step that accelerates everything. Step 4, use the power of compounding. Compounding is called the eighth wonder of the world because it turns small money into a big money. Here is how it works. You invest money, it earns returns. Those returns earn returns, and over time it explodes. At first, growth is slow, very slow. You might feel nothing is happening, but suddenly everything changes. Growth becomes fast. This is why most people fail. They quit before compounding starts, but those who stay win big. And this leads to the biggest mistake you must avoid. Step 5, avoid this wealth destroying mistake. The mistake destroys millions of investors, and it's called panic selling. Where market crash, people panic. They sell, they quit, they lose. But smart investors do the opposite. They buy more. Because this crashes creates opportunities. Every market crash in history was followed by new highs. The biggest fortunes are built during fear, not comfort. So remember this rule, never panic, stay invested, stay patient, stay consistent. And now I will reveal the exact roadmap to reach 1 lakh dollar fast. The exact 1 lakh dollar roadmap. Here is the simple roadmap. Step 1, invest monthly. Step 2, invest in growth assets. Step 3, stay consistent. Step 4, never panic. Step 5, think long term. If you invest $300 per month, $500 per month, $1,000 per month, over time you will reach 1 lakh dollar, not by luck, by discipline. And once you reach 1 lakh dollar every month, everything becomes easier, because now money works for you, not against. Most people watching this will not take action. They will watch, they will feel motivated, and they will do nothing. But a few people will start today. Those people will build wealth. The difference between rich and poor is action, not a knowledge. You now have the blueprint. The only question is, will you use it? Because your future wealth depends on what you do next. If you want to become financially free, start investing today. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe now, because on this channel we don't just talk about money, we build wealth.